Currently, it is quite popular to cover glass with super-hydrophobic compounds. However, such coatings do not always give the desired effect. This disadvantage is especially noticeable when small droplets of water form on the surface of glass, for instance frost, dew, or from water splashes. Having little weight, they do not slide off the glass surface, even when in a vertical position. Additionally, processed water-repellent surfaces is extremely sensitive to mechanical stress. The layer is only several dozens of atoms thick, and the coating can easily be damaged, even by mechanical removal of dirt from the surface, and even more through the application of chemical washing agents. We offer more effective hydrophilic or even super-hydrophilic coatings produced by magnetron sputter deposition. On such a surface, due to the rapid spreading of all drops, water forms a transparent film that does not obstruct visibility. In addition, even light rain results in a complete washout of dust from the surface, making the coating self-cleaning. The coating has some additional advantages. The coating has mechanical strength and chemical resistance. It has antibacterial and antimicrobial properties. The coating is capable of degrading harmful organic substances such as grease. Glass cleaning costs are reduced. Probability of accidents are decreased when applied in automotive glass. Coated windows and mirrors can be used in rooms with high humidity such as saunas and bathrooms. The coating provides comfort when used in spectacles for vision correction, eye protection, and masks. Lifetime of the coatings are comparable to that of the glass. The coating retains its properties for a wide temperature range.